Hello everyone, I am from Udaan Tuition Classes. Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to start with how to solve a quadratic equation using the method of splitting the middle term. As we all know, there are many methods to solve the quadratic equation, but one of it is splitting its middle term. Okay, so we have a question here, that is x square minus 8x minus 48 is equals to 0. It will become a quadratic equation. Okay. Here the degree is 2. So, the equation is quadratic equation, as we all know. Now, what I am going to do is multiply the coefficient of x square, that is 1, and the last constant term, that is 1 into 48 is equals to 48. Okay. Now, I'll find the factors of 48. Okay. So what are the factors of 48? So factors of 48 are 48 ones are 48, 24 twos are 48, again 16 threes are 48, then 12 fours are 48, 6 eights are 48. I think these are the only factors of 48. Okay. Now from these pairs, all pairs, I need to select a number which will give me on subtraction or on addition, that will give me minus 8. Minus 8, okay. Now what I'll do is take another color pen so that you will get it easily. X square minus 12x plus 4x minus 48 is equals to 0. Here from this pair, unhighlighted it, from this pair we will get minus 8x. Okay, clear? Now, what I will do, I will take common from this part and from this part. Okay. Now, I will take common from this part. I will get x minus 12 plus 4, x minus 12 is equals to 0. Now, in my previous videos also, I told you that these two brackets must be same. Okay. These two brackets must be compulsory same. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll just equate these equal brackets to 0. Okay. X minus 12 is equals to 0 and x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now, from this part, I will get x is equals to 12 as one value of x, and from this part, I will get x is equals to minus 4 as one value of x. And as we can see, we get two values, that is two zeros, and these are the answers of our question. That is x is equals to 12 is the 0 and x is equals to minus 4 is the another 0. Okay. Thank you for watching.